welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing a front bumper on our Jeep Gladiator here. It is a Quadratec QRC front bumper. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. The first step is to pull this trim panel off. There's 8 of these push clips here. Pull that off, then we unhook the wiring for the fog lights. The next step is to unhook the fog lights. It's pretty easy, just push the pin and pull. Next is to get the bolts out. You need to pull the little push pin for the fog light plug out to get it out of the way. I just tucked it up under the grill. There's 4 bolts. They're 18 millimeter, and they're up in this pocket here. 2 of them here and 2 of them on the inside of the frame. So I'm going to take them loose. Alright, we got all the bolts loose. We got the wiring unhooked, so it should come right off. Let's see what happens. Got to wiggle it loose. Now pull the fog lights out, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. To get the fog lights, you have to take these 6 clips out to get to them. Get both sides done, and we'll see what we got from there.
Last one, I'm coming in.
There we go. We've got the covers off. Now we have to take these 4 bolts off, both of them, to get the fog lights out. They're 7 millimeter. After that, we have to take these bolts here, or these nuts off, to get the wiring harness off. It's behind it. We got to separate the plastic from the steel bumper. All right, here we go. Now that we got it split, see these little push pegs. We'll need to push all of them loose. That way we can work it through the bumper and out the other end. Alright, we've got all the clips loose. Now we're going to slowly fish it through. Slowly work it through, and she'll come out the other end, no trouble. Alright, that's everything off this bumper. We're going to set it to a side and start working on the new one. Alright, it's time to put the fog lights in the new bumper. To start with, you'll need to attach these small brackets that come with it. It's attached with 2 of these button head Allen screws. And you just lay it in loosely and attach it with these washers and bolts and nuts that come with the kit. Alright, we have both fog lights mounted, and we've ran our wiring harness, got it zip tied out of the way. The only thing left to do is put it on. Alright, time's come to hang the bumper on the Jeep. Now give us a second, we're going to get it all set up, we're going to put the camera on the tripod and go to it. Alright, you're good, you're good. We've got all 8 bolts in. The only thing left is to torque it to 66 foot-pounds. Okay, we've got the bumper on. Everything's installed like it's supposed to be. So that wraps this video up. Next time, we'll be installing a winch on here and showing y'all a little trick I have discovered with the accessory auxiliary switch panel. Hope y'all enjoy. Like and subscribe, follow for more.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.